What's up everyone? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about self-tanning as the summer's here and I live in New York. It's really strong this summer. This year specifically, I wanted to do self-tanning and that's what I'm going to be doing. I did try it once before doing this video just to see how it would look and I really like it. I am not a professional and I do know and do recommend not to be at the sun and like toast your body. Obviously it's good in a moderate, time, but don't burn yourself. So I think this is the best way to get the beautiful glowing skin if you want a sun-kissed look. And I really wanted to do it for the second time to see how it comes out on my body and then kind of go and show you guys. So if you guys are really interested, keep on watching this video and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started, guys. I'm in a bathing suit, obviously, because I'm not going to be naked in camera. But I am going to be trying the Sulfate Express. It says Advanced Bronzing Mousse for 1 hour tan. So it's... So it's like this. St.Tropez. It's the Sulfate Express. It is 1 hour. You have to put it on your skin. Wait for 1 hour if you want a light, 2 hours if you want a medium like coverage tan, and 3 hours if you want the darkest one. However, I do really want to be as tan as possible, tan looking sun-kissed as possible. So I'm gonna leave it on for 3 hours and see how that goes. I did buy, I had this one, I used it once before, the St.Tropez mitten. I got it from Sephora. It's $6. This one, I'm not sure how much it was. I'll leave it down below and yeah, I'm gonna start applying it and let's see how it turns out. Okay. So first I'm gonna shake it because I want to shake it. So if it is your first time putting something like this on, I do recommend putting a towel on the floor. I do have a white beige carpet, so I know that if I get this on, George will kill me. So we will be putting something on the floor. So let's get started. Use a little bit of what's here and just like pat it on my face and kind of go in circular motions, just a tad bit, because I don't know how it's gonna turn out on my face. The first time I used very little, so we're just gonna go like very little and see what happens. Also, you can also use a brush to apply it all over your face. I didn't do that. I just went like this, and it is what's the worst that can happen, right? Just go over. And then for my hands, whatever is left on this mitt, I'm just gonna go like kind of just like that. As you can see, I messed up here, but I don't really mind that. And for the other hand as well. Okay guys, so overall I did put it all over my body, and I am going to wait 3 hours and see how it turns out. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just finished rinsing off. I waited the 3 hours and probably like 20 minutes more, and then I just rinsed it off. I did scrub a little bit, like to try to like make it even. I think that on my arms it looks more of a tan than my like face. My face is not really so tan, but as time continues and hours pass, it's supposed to like give you that sun-kissed glow and all of that. So I am excited and I am pleased with the results. So I will recommend this product to you. I have not tried the other ones, so I cannot recommend those, but the one I used, it is bomb. I really like it, although I wanted to cover these tan lines and it kind of didn't do that, but I really like the rest of my skin. It kind of did give me that glow. I think on my belly, let me show you, on my belly it looks more of a dark tan, but it's okay. I'm not going anywhere, I'm not going to a party or anything like that, so I really liked how it looked. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any other suggestions or any other tanning lotions that you've used before, please let this girl know, and I will definitely try those products and see how it goes. And as always, thank you so much. Oh, and one more thing, please, if you have nothing good to say about my body, about my jiggles or my cellulites or whatever, I don't want to hear it, and you know, I just don't. It's not necessary and it's just mean, so don't do that. And yeah, I think that's about it. Don't forget to be kind to the world, because just be nice. But yeah, so have a great day, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, because I did. Well, thank you guys. Have a great one. Bye.